Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, November 27, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. Coffee smells good today?
Hi, David. Yes, I need it. Long meeting later.
Me too. Sales call at 10. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Busy week? You?
Good. Did you see the news? That real estate story in Southie?
Yes, big project there.
Right. State senator's brother involved? $143 million in lawsuits?
Crazy family ties in business. Bad for trust.
Yeah. Lawsuits slow everything, like our projects.
True, clients hate delays.
Exactly. Money problems everywhere.
It shows risks in big deals.
Hey, pass the sugar, thanks.
Sure, investors sue him now.
Big money lost. South Boston project stops?
Maybe, sprawling development, many units.
Southie changes fast. New buildings everywhere.
Yes, but scandals hurt sales.
Like bad reviews for products.
Exactly, check partners well.
Senator's brother, funny name?
No laughs, serious money.
143 million. Wow.
Court fights long.
Hope they settle, work resumes.
Good for jobs. Construction needs people.
Our sales team busy too.
Another news, Tech 1.
Oh yeah, tell me.
MIT scientist, bad emails.
What? Racist and sexist claims?
Yes, private emails, Epstein, funding.
Wow, shocking. MIT is top school.
He worked there 2014 to 2016.
AI researcher Joshua Bach.
Yes, Epstein donations helped hire.
Can't believe it. We use AI tools.
Need ethics in tech, very important.
Right. Like our software, clean code.
Bad people hurt teams.
Fire him fast, no place here.
Agree public now, career ends.
Coffee hot, good.
Refill, black for me?
Sure, milk for you.
No thanks. One more story?
Harvard one?
Sackler name on buildings.
They won't remove it.
No. Harvard refuses, opioid controversy. Family name stays despite calls.
Sackler patriarch, Purdue Pharma.
Yes, opioids crisis big.
Universities take money. Now regret?
Some remove, Harvard no.
Strange image bad.
Tradition wins or cash.
Probably cash, like sales commissions.
Funny, our company no scandals.
Lucky us, clean office.
Good culture here.
Southie news back. Senator helps brother?
Doubt it, politics separate.
Family pressure always.
Lawsuits from investors, angry.
143 million claims. Huge.
Project in South Boston, prime spot.
Rents high there, demand big.
Delays raise prices more.
Clients wait, sales drop.
Plan better due diligence.
Yes, our project's smooth.
MAT guy, emails private?
Still wrong, thought show.
Yes, leak now, shame. Epstein ties bad too.
Money from him, dirty.
Tech world cleans up.
Good, we trust vendors.
Harvard stubborn, Sackler stays.
Protests come.
Maybe society mad at opioids. Thousands hurt.
Painkillers sold too much.
No names on walls. Debate?
Remove for peace.
Or keep history.
Tough choice.
Like project decisions?
Coffee break nice.
Yes, relax before work.
Sales call prep nervous.
You good? Close deals?
Thanks, your meeting?
Team update. Projects on track. Southie inspires local news.
Boston full stories.
Yes, Globe covers well.
MIT close to feels near.
Ethics talks in office?
Maybe HR meeting.
Good idea. Train staff.
No bad emails here.
Delete drafts fast.
Smart.
Harvard watches now.
Summer's emails too, Epstein.
Yes, more scandals.
Universities careful.
Reputations matter.
Like our brand.
Protect it daily.
Southie developer, who?
Brother of senator name not key.
Deals with family risky.
Always vet them. 143 million lawsuit. Investors big.
Pensions, funds.
Probably lost savings.
Ouch, court soon.
Watch news.
Tech scientist sorry?
Doubt defends maybe.
No excuse.
Fire and move on.
Sackler family fights?
Yes, donate more.
No, remove name.
Harvard says no.
Stubborn.
Time changes minds.
Like software updates?
Slow but sure.
Coffee cold, last sip?
Meeting in 2 minutes.
Me too, call starts.
Good luck, win client.
Thanks, you manage well.
See you later. Have a good day.
Bye, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.